Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your chats. When you're ready, click on this icon with a plus at the bottom left corner. Now click on Files category. Pick your files from here or tap on one of those apps. You can also tap on those three lines at the top left corner and access one of those sources. Wherever you do, you can tap on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Now hold your file that you wish to add and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!